Poppy K and her weekly vlogs, shopping, reading and her monologues. Poppy K and her weekly vlogs. Poppy K, subscribe, like, comment and share.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. Crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
I've just my last week's vlog will now be live, and I've been just pottering about really today, doing a little bit more of my paint by numbers. I have decided to just get it out of the way and finish it. I'm on chapter 14 at the moment, so that's what I've read today. So hopefully I'll get that done by the weekend, and then I can pick something that I want to read for the rest of the week that isn't Sarah J. Maas. I love her, don't get me wrong, because that's why I read her every year. I just like to read it all again, because there are bits and pieces in here that I pick up that I seem to miss all the time. So yeah, and I'm thinking, I don't know, I've got to go and pick up my glasses from that whole debacle. So whether or not I go and get them tomorrow, don't know, but I might go and have a look at some Halloween decorations, because you can never have enough. I mean, I have Halloween decorations that I keep up all year round, but yeah, so I don't know. What I would ultimately like to do is, I've seen it on Pinterest where people get their Christmas tree out and then they put Halloween decorations on it, and then after Halloween or whatever, they then swap it out for Christmas decorations. The only problem with that is our Christmas tree has got inbuilt fern, pine cone things and berries and stuff, so it's not very Halloweeny, is it? So I can't really do that. I have got a smaller tree upstairs, but I don't think the master would like it very much. So, but anyway, I did get a Beetlejuice pumpkin a good few weeks ago from Primark. I'll show it. It lights up. It's quite cool. It's on top of my bookshelf. I'll grab it down and turn it on. How cool is that? So it's just going to sit up on my bookshelf. I did get one new thing. What I would love, and my husband knows this as well, I would love to get a nutcracker, you know, the big ones from Costco. I'd love to get one of them, but I didn't think that's going to happen either, because I can't see us going to Costco very soon. because time is running out to get stuff for Christmas even. But anyway, that's a me problem. Right, I'll see you in a bit. It's my favourite time of year. It is when Gavin does his videos. I love these. They make me laugh so much. Right, I'm going to sit and watch this.
Well, I'm currently alone in the middle of the woods. Literally fine.
Hello. I have just got back from the gym. I'm just going to lock the door. I had locked it already. So, two things. Firstly, let's get you somewhere where I can see you. That's better. Right. So, just finished work. I want to be an enabler. I've got some chicken. I've also got some pasta, fresh pasta. But I want to get you onto these sauces. They are delicious. This one is a sun-dried tomato and pecorino cheese sauce. I haven't actually tried this one, but I have tried, however, the cream and mushroom one. So nice. You're supposed to have it with their not tagliatelle, their tortellini, but I just use it as a sauce. It is delish. So that's one thing. And another thing is, I've got my glasses. So obviously I got my other ones redone, but I thought, well, after all that debacle and the cost, I love my glasses that I get from Glasses Direct. So these are Vision Express. These are what I got last time, the first time I got my broke. So, because I had my old ones done. So let's try on some glasses. Have we got anything here? Have you seen our new eco-friendly packaging? Yes. So if you want to get some glasses, then I would definitely recommend Glasses Direct. This is their packaging. So, I got these red frames. So I got them. I quite like those. Go with the red hair. Perfect for Christmas. Very, festive. So I got those. And I got, I wonder if they do oh, I love these. I got blue cycles. So they're my new glasses. They just seem to be quite big. I might have to get my heat tool and just redo the things. But there you go. They're my glasses. I'll put my red ones on. I'm going to go and have a shower, grab something to eat, and I might check in with you a bit later, but I just thought I would enlighten you on the glasses debacle. Yeah, I like them. They're cool. Right. I'll see you in a bit. Alexa, play Fantasy Fangirls podcast.
Welcome to the Fantasy Fangirls podcast, where two sisters dive deep into beloved fantasy lore, characters, themes, theories, and more. I'm Lexi. And I'm Nicole. And today we are so excited to begin our deep dive of A Court of Silver Flames by Sarah J. Maas.
Hello. Right, I saw this on TikTok, I think. I've just had my dinner. It's very nice. And I was a little bit hungry afterwards, so I thought, oh, I'll have a little bit of bread and jam. The jam was finished. And then I was like, this gives me a good opportunity to try this out. So the thing was, it was like, if you've got some jam, or you've used up all your jam, you've got all those like bits all around the edge, haven't you? Get a shot of gin. I think they did put some soda water and ice in it, but I haven't got any of those things. So what you do is you add your gin, put the lid back on, and then give it a shake. And this is what you've got left. It's delicious. It's really, I can imagine it being really nice with soda water. It's just... And this is a black cherry jam. It's got sloe juice in it as well, so you get sloe gin, don't you? That is really nice. It's warming the cockles of my heart. I just thought I'd tell you that. And that's it. Cheers. This is your fault.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me. It never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
Hello. Well, I am literally just editing at the minute. I'm editing our Vagrants on Vacation vlog for next week. We went to NEC, as you saw, just a tiny little bit. If you want to see what happened, you'll have to go on over to Vagrants on Vacation, which I shall link below. We went to the caravan and camper van thing that they have there every year. My God, it's massive. It is massive. So we went and did that. It's good fun. So I'm literally just editing now. The weather is horrible. I think we've got a storm coming in. I think it's Storm Ashley. I think. So I might have to put my hoodie on in a minute. It's a little bit chilly. So I've got myself a cup of tea. I'm going to sit and watch what I've done so far. We need to do the sum up and conclusion. So we'll have to film that. But I'm happy with how it's gone. And I read a book yesterday to do with camper vans. It's called Campervans Cooking and Corpses. I'll put a picture of it up here. It's free actually at the moment on Kindle Unlimited. I really enjoyed it. It's like a cozy mystery, and it follows the protagonist who is obviously going to go through the whole of the series. His name is Max Effort, which I love. He's recently divorced and he has decided to basically sell everything. He was a Michelin star chef and he had restaurants, and he just decided just to stop, and he's got himself in a caravan with his dog, who is called Anxious. What a name. And they are going to go travelling around the country, which speaks to my heart because I would love to be able to do that. Just get a camper van and just go. But yeah, it's really good. And as I say there, that book is on Kindle Unlimited if you've got it. Or I think on Kindle anyway, I think it's about $2.99. So it's well worth. I think there's 10 books in the series, so I'm probably just going to read a couple of those because it was quite good. I gave it a 3.5 out of 5 stars. But yeah, it's very good. It's very funny. So I've read that yesterday. So that is done. I have started another book, but I'm not going to talk about that until after. I'll talk about it next week because it's Sunday now. I've got some editing to do. I've got dinner to cook. I was going to go out, but I think the weather's a bit poopy. So as I say, we got that storm coming. So whether or not I would get it finished for this vlog, I don't think I will. But it started off pretty good. It's a bit of a spooky thriller by Joe Nesbo. So, but anyway, yeah, who is the Campervans, and I'm just going to have a look, see who it's by. Campervans Cooking, Taylor Rhodes. So Taylor Rhodes is who it's by. As I say, I will have put a picture up. But yeah, so that's what is on the books for today. I will see you in a bit. Well, hello, that's me. Just finished work. It's getting a bit chillier today, this time, isn't it? Autumn is definitely here, I would say. I'm literally just going to sit down and finish my book, which you will find out about next week. I'm about halfway through, but I reckon I can get through it today. It's really good. At this point in time, it's really good. But as I say, next week you will find out, unless I've already said and I've probably forgotten. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. And as I say, I will see you next week. You have yourselves a great time. Bye!